Welcome to this demonstration of xRM4Legal, powered by Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. The way we present this great new system is by way of scenarios. We might think of this in terms of a day in the life of our lawyer attorneys. I like to call it CRM in just 10 minutes per day, or even better, CRM that updates itself, the power of productivity. Imagine today that we have another day full of meetings, starting with an internal team meeting followed by a meeting with the board of a major client. To prepare for the internal meeting, we need a snapshot of progress with our business development pipeline, developing new clients across different practice areas. Immediately we fire up xRM4Legal to see our charts and dashboards view. This is accessed within Workplace currently, but as we create your specific charts and dashboards, we will move them to the firm's own custom menu. From the dashboard, we can view the records used to create and generate the chart. We can enlarge the chart. We can also filter by company, client, and much more. To create our own dashboards is also very easy. Just click the New button and select the required layout and content. From within the view, we can also see the activities that our team has been involved with: tasks, emails, phone calls, letters, faxes, and appointments. To record an activity of our own, we just click the New Activity button from the top left-hand side of the screen. Select the type of activity and enter some details. The red asterisk indicates a field that must be completed before you can save the record. When we install the CRM software for Outlook, the activity records we enter here will be automatically synced between CRM and Outlook and vice versa. Ahead of our major client meeting, we want to check the status of our CRM company record. Companies are the organisations that we do business with: clients, referrers, experts, and so on. To view or edit a company, in the navigation pane, click xRM4Legal and select Client Organisations. What we can see here are client records typically linked to Outlook and our practice management system. We can click on any of the column headings to sort. We can also select from different views, both system and personal views. To search for an existing record, type a few characters of the company name and press Enter, or click Start Search. We can also navigate using the letters at the bottom of the screen, for example M for those records that begin with the letter M. We can also use the asterisk as a wildcard for partial searches. We can open the record to view just by clicking on it. When we open the company record, we will see the record is divided into tabs that we can navigate from the top left-hand side. There are also related folders we can access for details of branches, meetings, subsidiaries, contacts, and opportunities that we are currently working on. The top of this company information form captures some self-explanatory information, some of which must be entered to be able to save the record. In the middle of the screen is an exciting new XRM integration called Inside View. This aggregates various news sources, social media and networks for real-time updates on company changes including people, buzz and more. We can also navigate within the left side window to access information about new offerings, leadership changes and acquisitions. Below that, you will see how we segment the organisation according to classification, key client and practice area where applicable. Financial information pulled from the firm's practice management system can also be viewed below that. We have experience integrating with a variety of practice and document management systems including Thomson Elite, Adirond Expert, Keystone and iManage Worksite. To access company context-sensitive branch, meeting, subsidiary, contacts and opportunities, we just click on the appropriate folder items. Here are the branch records. Here are the meetings held. Here are the subsidiaries. And here are the contacts. From each folder we can edit or add new records. Clicking Audit History displays any changes to our data, who made them and when. You will see here references to corporate administration and client care. These are additional modules that extend xRM4Legal for corporate administration and compliance and case management. We will explore these in future videos. Before our client board meeting, we also want to review the contacts we are meeting with. Contacts are the people that work in the organisations that we do business with. To view or edit a contact, all we have to do is click on the applicable link. You'll see the record is like the company record divided into tabs. We can navigate these from the top left-hand side. There are also related folders we can access for more addresses, activities and connections. Very useful for performing potential conflict checks. The top of the contact information form captures information about the contact, some of which must be entered for you to be able to save the record. In the middle of the screen is the Inside View CRM integration, pulled from LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Clicking the Search LinkedIn link takes me to details where I can connect if appropriate. Below that, you will see here how we segment the contact record by classification and marketing communications. Personal information, street address, professional interests, publications and memberships. This is how we ensure that information subscriptions are received by the right people. To access context-sensitive address, activity and connections information, click the applicable folder in the navigation pane. From there you can edit or add new records. So this part has been about viewing or editing existing contact records. To add a new record, we recommend that you navigate to the company record first. Click on Add New Contact to create the new contact within the context of the related company. As mentioned previously, adding new records in this way will default some values from the associated parent record. In this example, we have the business phone number, parent client record, and currency already populated. One last item we want to check before our important board meeting is our deal pipeline with the client. Opportunities represent potential new matters. To view or edit an opportunity, just click on the Opportunities folder. What you can see here are opportunities associated with the client. You can now open the record you want by clicking. You will see the opportunity record is like the company and contact records divided into tabs that we can navigate from the top left-hand side. Client fit, selection criteria, deal information, and so on. There are also related folders we can access for activities, relationship map, pitch materials, and adversaries. The top of the opportunity information form captures some self-explanatory information, some of which must be entered for you to be able to save the record. We just click on the drop-down pick list or lookups to select. In the middle of the screen is forecast information used in deal pipeline reporting. To access opportunity context-sensitive activity and relationship information, we just click the applicable folder in the navigation pane. From there we can edit or add new records. So this part has been about viewing or editing existing opportunity records. To add a new one, we recommend that you navigate to the company record first, check the available list of opportunities, and create the new opportunity within the context of the related company. As mentioned previously, adding new records in this way will default some values from the associated parent record. For example, you can see the plaintiff, an adversary, and currency already populated. When we want to analyse data or view a report in xRM, there are several ways to view the relevant data. You can run a default report. Just click Run Report at the top of the screen and select the report you wish. You can also create your own reports using the report wizard. Finally, you can export anything you see in a data grid to Excel. For example, if we select all contacts from the view, click the Export to Excel button and export, the information seen on screen will be available within our Excel spreadsheet. So this has been about accessing xRM4Legal through the web client. Please stay tuned for future videos as we review xRM4Legal for Outlook on the iPhone and iPad.